If you're looking to create and share custom reports on Top Echelon, you've come to the right place. Whether you're new to the software or just trying to optimize your use, this quick guide will walk you through everything you need to know to make the most out of Top Echelon's reporting features. Stick around to the end to learn about an exclusive offer where you can use Top Echelon for free, along with some bonuses. Top Echelon's custom reports are a powerful tool for tracking key metrics, whether you're analyzing placement data, recruiter activity, or anything else critical to your workflow. To get started with creating a custom report, first log into your Top Echelon account. Once you're in, head to the Reports section. Here, you'll find a list of pre-configured reports, but what we're focusing on today is customizing these reports to suit your needs. Click the Custom Reports option, and you'll see a button for creating a new report. This is where the magic happens. Click Create New Report, and you'll be guided through the process of selecting the report type. You'll choose the data you want to pull, whether that's placements, activity logs, or any other data related to your recruitment efforts. The software will allow you to filter and sort data based on your specific needs. For instance, if you want a report based on placements made within a specific time frame, you can filter by date range. You can also narrow your report to focus on specific recruiters, clients, or job orders. This level of customization ensures that the report is exactly what you need. No more sifting through irrelevant information. Once you've selected your filters, simply hit Generate, and the report will appear on screen. One key feature is the ability to save these custom reports. If you need the same report repeatedly, saving it means you won't have to go through the creation process every time. Just give it a name, and your custom report will be available at any time with just a few clicks. Now, sharing these reports is just as straightforward. Once your report is ready, you'll notice options for exporting it in various formats, like Excel, PDF, or even CSV. This makes it easy to share with your team, clients, or anyone else who needs the data. You can also email reports directly from Top Echelon, which is a time saver for keeping everyone in the loop without having to leave the software. Another useful tip is setting up automated reports. If you need to receive the same report regularly, you can schedule it to be sent out automatically on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. This is a fantastic way to stay on top of key metrics without having to manually generate reports every time. Top Echelon's custom report features give you the flexibility to track the data that matters most to your business. Whether you're trying to optimize recruiter performance, track placements, or analyze client success, the options are endless. And remember, you can take advantage of this powerful feature for free by using the link in the description below. Before we wrap up, don't forget that by following the link below, you'll get an extended free trial of Top Echelon, which includes these custom report features and more. This is a great way to get hands-on experience with the software and see for yourself how it can help streamline your recruitment process. So go ahead and start creating and sharing custom reports on Top Echelon today. This is just the tip of the iceberg.